Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to cancel Netflix auto payment. To cancel Netflix auto payment, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your mobile application or device. Then in here, tap the profile icon and tap again the profile icon at the upper right corner. Scroll down and select account or account settings. You can see now the option of the account. Now, tap the cancel membership. Within the membership and billing, you may be asked to confirm your decision or provide a reason for canceling. Follow the prompts and provide the necessary information. After confirming the cancellation, your Netflix subscription will be set to expire at the end of your current billing cycle. You will no longer be charged automatically. So that's how to cancel Netflix auto payment on mobile. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.